It doesn't matter how fast you're going if you're not getting to where you need to be. Sanding is no different, and today's abrasives have been engineered to maximize cutting speed at the expense of a uniform finish. Introducing MaxFilm, the ultimate solution for the perfect balance between speed and finish. Fast cutting speed is irrelevant without a uniform finish. A better finish means less rework and reduces the overall sanding time and steps needed before paint. Due to a combination of super sharp abrasives, advanced bonding technology, and an ultra-durable film backing, MaxFilm SuperTack offers maximum sanding power and speed that matches or exceeds other abrasives, while also delivering an ultra-uniform finish. A special anti-clogging technology enables MaxFilm to sand cooler and last longer, reducing material costs and the possibility of deep, irregular scratches from clogged sandpaper. MaxFilm is the ideal solution for a variety of applications. From metal sanding, to filler sanding, to prep sanding, to blending, and so much more. Time is money, and reduced labor and material costs equal higher productivity and more profit for your shop. MaxFilm is the perfect balance between speed and finish, and delivers consistent high-cutting performance for the best-in-class finish quality. Utilizing advanced anti-clogging technology combined with durable film backing results in an ultra-uniform finish. Don't settle for less when you can take it to the max with MaxFilm for those who demand the best.